5 Best Ways to Grab the Internship Opportunity in College Life. 1. Prepare a strong resume. Create a well-organized resume that highlights your skills, relevant coursework, and any extracurricular activities. Tailor it to the specific internship you are applying for. 2. Network. Attend career fairs, workshops, and networking events to connect with potential employers. Don't underestimate the power of personal connections in securing an internship. 3. Online job portals. Use job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, or your college's career portal to find internship opportunities. Regularly update your profile and set up job alerts to stay informed about new postings. 4. Build a portfolio. If your field requires a portfolio, example, for design, writing, or programming, invest time in creating a strong one. It showcases your skills and sets you apart from other applicants. 5. Practice interview skills. Prepare for interviews by practicing common interview questions, researching the company, and improving your communication and presentation skills. A mock interview with a career counselor or friend can be helpful. Students, please remember that persistence is key, and don't get discouraged by rejection. Keep refining your approach and learning from each experience. Thanks for watching the videos. Please subscribe to get notifications of new videos.